大家好，我是麦克老师。今天是一节上课，到底怎么用 welcome？ Alright, today I want to have a quick lesson about how to use the word welcome, as I often hear it used incorrectly by some of my Chinese friends and Chinese students. Beijing 欢迎你，为你开天辟地。是不是 welcome you to Beijing 还是 welcome to Beijing? I'll tell you in a minute. So we can't always use welcome for the word 欢迎. For example, 欢迎你乘坐52路. Welcome to take bus 52? No. Thank you for riding bus 52. So when we say the phrase welcome to, the next word must be a place. Welcome to America. Welcome to China. Welcome to my school. Welcome to my home. The mistake I often hear is when people add you inside. 欢迎你来我的老家. Welcome you to my hometown. When you say 欢迎你来, you're actually inviting. So a better way to say it would be, I'd like to invite you to come to my hometown. You are welcome to come to my hometown anytime. 都可以. If I say welcome to my hometown, it means you're already there. We invite you to come to Beijing. Beijing welcomes you. Please come to visit Beijing. So think of welcome as an invitation or a greeting when the person arrives to the place you invited them to.大家都清楚吗？以后不要说错。Thank you for listening to this quick lesson. If you have any other quick lesson ideas, please leave me a comment below. 我是麦克老师，下次再见。